It can fix your grammar, can give explanation of almost anything, like you can write an essay with it from a single word or any topic. It can be a virtual friend, you can chat with it naturally, you can write a letter for your friend, you can write a whole book of poems, and you can be a programmer, even if you don't know the programming. Assalamu alaikum, I am Zubair and you are watching Techy. You heard the most interesting thing is ChatGPT, which is an artificial intelligence system by OpenAI, and now we are going to experience that. So let's enjoy what is ChatGPT and how it works. You can see a dialog box. I'm skipping this by clicking next. You can see the interface of ChatGPT, and here you can see some examples of what you can do with it, and here how it can do that for you, and here are some limitations of what it can't do. You have to use this box to use AI system, and this is dark mode. If you like, you can use it. Let's start with hi. Is doing something well. It can understand human feelings. Of course, it doesn't have any sensor or any kinds of hardware to understand or calculate human behavior. It's a language model and created by OpenAI. Okay, let's ask and see what it can do for us. You can see it can help you with many things, like it can answer your questions, of course, any kinds of questions. It can translate your text from anything like any website or any news from another to your language. It can be your writing assistant to help you with grammar, spelling, and sentence structure, and it will also suggest improvements to your writing. And it can be your personal assistant to set reminders. It will create to-do list for you and provide information on your schedule, and it can entertain you by tell you a joke. It can play a game with you, and also it will recommend you a movie or TV show, and you can find any URL or any kinds of address, anything by this very easily. So let's see what else we can do with it. Okay, let's tell it to write a poem for us. Oh, you can try. Okay, let's write about world. Wow, you see that? The world is a place of wonder, full of beauty and strife, a tapestry of cultures, a celebration of life. Excellent. It's really amazing. Think about it. Poem is not a matter now. Anyone can write a poem with it and can send a poem within a minute. And here you can see an option, regenerate response, by which you can regenerate new poem if you don't like it. Isn't that cool? Interesting, huh? Okay, let me show you another interesting thing, which is it can write code for you. It can write any software code or any kinds of web programs or any language code which you don't know how to write it, but it can help you with it. It can write it for you very easily, like I'm showing you. I'm telling it to write a calendar code. Need to tell it what kinds of code. Okay, write me a calendar code. You can see it's writing the code. It's a calendar code in Python. You can use this code by copy the code to your desired software or any kinds of website where you need it, and it will also provide the information how you can use it. I don't know what you say, but I think you can do many professional work with it, and you can make a business with it. You can teach others by learning from it, and you can discover many things by using ChatGPT. What do you say and what do you think? Let me know in the comment box. Okay, let's try different thing. Let's try writing a letter with it and see if it can do that. Okay, need to tell it what kinds of letter. Write me a funny letter. It's insane. You see that? It's writing me a funny letter. Wow. You can see it just did it in a few seconds. I think from now you don't need to write a letter or think about it, and you just what to do is you need to tell it and it will make a letter for you and you can send it instantly anytime, anywhere, whenever you want. This is the full letter. Okay, you did a great job. Thank you. Let's see what it reply. Oh, it's a good reply. Okay, now we are going to see how you can enter and use ChatGPT. Well, we need a little sign up process here to enter ChatGPT. So let's see how to do that. Okay, you can search Google or you can enter directly by its website. So this is the address to enter ChatGPT. You can type this in the address bar of your browser or in the Google search bar. Okay, you can see the first one, openai.com. I'm going to click on this and you will see like this interface. This is OpenAI's website and you have to click on sign up here. It's just a simple process. You have to do two-step verification. I'm showing you. Place your email address here. An email address, just you want to sign up ChatGPT and click to continue. And under this, give 8-character password and click to continue. If any windows shows like this, you can click to save cause later it will help you to log in automatically. Okay, now here they sent an email to your mailbox with a link. You have to click on that link. Okay, this is the email address. You can see the first one. You have to click on here, verify email address. Wait for it. Okay, you verified the email. Okay, now you have to click on login here. Give your email address again and click continue. Now give your password and click continue. Okay, now give your first name to the first box and last name to the last box, and you can skip the organization name and click to continue. Okay, we are almost finished. Just select your country from the drop down menu and give your rest of the phone number after the country code and click to continue. Okay, now go to your phone's inbox and find the message with the code and type the code here. And here is an example of the message. You will find it there. Now enter the code here. The code should be of 6 digits like this. Okay, we are almost done. One last question, why you want to use ChatGPT? You can select any of these. And we are here. Welcome to OpenAI. And this is the OpenAI's interface and you need to click on Playground to enter ChatGPT. Playground is generally for developers. They test their programs' capabilities here before applying into their own products. If you want to enter into the main interface of AI, just go to this address, login, and you will be there like the first window. And from this drop down menu, you can use other options as you need. And in here, you will find more examples how you can use it. You can see the empty box, write your word here and it will give you the whole description about that word. It's like magic. I'm showing you like I'm writing hi like before and is showing with an example how you can use this. Okay, now I'm showing you how you can switch to other option. Now click on drop down menu and select options you need. Like I'm switching to chart, click to OK if it wants. As much as question you want to ask, you can ask here. You can read this later. Okay, I'm back to playground again. You can see an icon of microphone. You can use this to command it with your voice or to ask anything to it. Now I'm showing you the most interesting option you may looking for. For that, you have to click here, like I'm showing you. I'm writing wrong sentence, and you see it's making this correct. Yes, it can fix grammar if you write it wrong then too. And from now you don't have to worry about any grammar. You can see it can do a lot of things for you. It can fix your grammar, can give explanation of almost anything, like you can write an essay with it from a single word or any topic. It can be your virtual friend, you can chat with it naturally, you can write a letter for your friend, you can write a whole book of poems, and you can be a programmer. Even if you don't know the programming, what else you want it to do? Write us in the comment box. So this is ChatGPT, and I'm making part 2 of this video about OpenAI and other tools. And subscribe the channel so that you will know when I publish the video. Hope you enjoy it, and of course let us know in the comment box if you have any idea of what else we can do with it. And until next update, be safe.